It's said that the road to the heart is through the stomach. Well, this is no less true for your gut microbiome. Your gut houses trillions of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microorganisms collectively known as your gut microbiome. This internal ecosystem plays a critical role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even your immune system. We want foods that act as prebiotics, probiotics, or both. Prebiotics are essentially food for your gut bacteria. They provide the nourishment your good bacteria need to thrive. Look for yogurts containing live and active cultures, which indicate the presence of beneficial bacteria. If you find the taste of yogurt a bit too thick or strong, kefir might be the perfect alternative for you. It has a thinner consistency similar to milk and a slightly fizzy carbonated texture that makes it refreshing. Like yogurt, kefir is rich in probiotics and provides a variety of beneficial bacteria and yeasts. This Japanese soup is more than just comforting and delicious. It's a gut-nourishing powerhouse. Miso, the fermented soybean paste used in the soup, is rich in probiotics and fiber.
Ow!
These components help improve gut health by enhancing digestion and promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, which is essential for gut health. This deactivated yeast is a popular supplement among those focusing on gut health. It's rich in B vitamins, which support overall gut health and the health of the gut lining. Nutritional yeast also contains a variety of minerals, like selenium, magnesium, and zinc. These minerals play a role in maintaining gut health and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. You can easily incorporate nutritional yeast into your diet. By sprinkling it over your meals or using it in salad dressings and dips, the fiber in apples acts as a food source for your gut bacteria, promoting their growth and activity. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, which helps to relax the gut muscles and promote healthy digestion. They also contain a compound called beta-sitosterol. These small seeds are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that's been linked to improved gut health. ALA helps to reduce inflammation in the gut and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to continue creating valuable content. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay healthy and gut happy. Flax seeds also contain a variety of minerals like magnesium and zinc, which play a role in maintaining gut health. You can easily incorporate flax seeds into your diet by adding them to smoothies, sprinkling them over yogurt, or making flaxseed oil for use in salad dressings, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in the gut. This is particularly helpful for those with gut-related conditions like IBS. You can enjoy pumpkin seeds as a snack, add them to trail mixes, or use them in salads and soups for a nutritious gut-friendly boost. This helps to maintain a healthy gut microbiome and prevent digestive issues. Additionally, apples contain antioxidants that help protect your gut from oxidative stress. Remember to eat the skin of the apple. Nourishing your gut with these foods can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. So go ahead, give your gut the love it deserves and enjoy the benefits of a happy, healthy gut, as that's where much of the fiber and nutrients are located. Additionally, miso soup typically includes other gut-friendly ingredients like tofu, seaweed, and green onions, making it a well-rounded superfood for your gut. It's often called a superfood for your gut due to its wide range of health benefits. This spring vegetable isn't just delicious, it's also great for your gut. These convenient portable fruits are not only a good source of potassium, they're also great for your gut. Bananas contain prebiotics that feed your gut bacteria. The soluble fiber in bananas helps to normalize bowel movements and prevent constipation. Additionally, bananas contain a compound called spermidine, which has been shown to promote gut health and longevity. Enjoy bananas as a snack, smoothie addition, or even in baked goods for a gut-friendly treat. Asparagus is high in prebiotics, particularly a type called inulin. Inulin acts as food for your gut bacteria, promoting their growth and activity. This, in turn, helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Plus, asparagus is a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, all of which support gut health in different ways. You can enjoy asparagus simply by steaming or grilling it, or you can add it to salads, stir-fries, and omelets. Some people use it to manage symptoms of lactose intolerance or even certain digestive disorders. And if you're looking for a healthier alternative to soda or sugary drinks, kefir is a great option. You can consume it as it is, or use it in smoothies, salad dressings, and marinades. These bacteria, can aid in lactose digestion for those who are lactose intolerant. A type of fermented cabbage that originated in Central Europe. A fermented tea drink that's become very popular in recent years. Kombucha is a great source of probiotics and antioxidants. It contains a variety of beneficial bacteria and yeasts that contribute to gut health. The antioxidants in kombucha help protect your gut from oxidative stress, maintaining its overall health. Now remember that, while kombucha is generally safe for most people, it does contain a small amount of alcohol due to the fermentation process. So it's important to consume it in moderation, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or have certain health conditions. Sauerkraut is not just a tasty addition to your meals, but also a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamin C, which supports gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. These bacteria help break down food and produce short-chain fatty acids that nourish your gut lining. The fiber in sauerkraut also acts as a prebiotic, feeding your existing gut bacteria. You can easily incorporate sauerkraut into your diet by serving it alongside pork dishes, hot dogs, or even using it as a topping for your favorite sandwiches. And regular consumption of yogurt has been associated with a lower risk of diarrhea and antibiotic-associated issues. For a gut-friendly snack, pair your yogurt with some chopped nuts or fresh berries for a protein and fiber boost. On the other hand, probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, confer a health benefit on the host. In fact, 70% of your immune cells reside in your gut, so keeping your gut happy is essential for overall well-being. The foods you eat have a profound impact on your gut bacteria and in turn on your health. So let's explore the best superfoods to nourish your gut and keep it happy and healthy. But first, a quick word about what we're dealing with here. Now you might be thinking, shouldn't all bacteria be avoided? Not at all. There are good and bad bacteria in your gut, and both are necessary. It's about balance. When the balance tips too far in either direction, that's when you can run into trouble. Kimchi is a fermented cabbage dish packed with beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These bacteria help maintain the gut barrier function, preventing harmful substances from leaking into your bloodstream. Kimchi also contains vitamin C and soluble fiber, both of which support gut health. To enjoy kimchi, try adding it to your stir-fries, ramen, or even burgers for a tangy probiotic punch. For example, an imbalance of gut bacteria is linked to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and even obesity. That's why nourishing your gut with the right superfoods is so important. So what exactly are we looking for in these superfoods? Let's dive into our top picks for gut-friendly superfoods, starting with kimchi. This Korean staple is a real gut hero. Next up is yogurt, a creamy delight that's been a part of many cultures' diets for centuries. Not all yogurts are created equal, though. Moving on, we have kefir, a tangy fermented drink. All right, now let's talk about sauerkraut. Next on our list is kombucha. Moving on to something truly special, we have miso soup. All right, let's shift gears a bit and talk about asparagus. Next up, let's discuss bananas. Moving on to another fruit, we have apples. All right, let's talk about one of nature's most nutrient-dense foods, nutritional yeast. Next on our list is pumpkin seeds. These humble seeds are a true gut hero. Finally, we have flax seeds. And there you have it, 12 superfoods that will have your gut feeling fantastic. If you found this video informative, don't forget to show your support.